Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today we will find the values of x and y from this given equation, which is square root of 2 raised to the power square root of x minus square root of 2 raised to the power square root of y is equal to 504, and x and y belongs to positive integers. So this square root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and its power square root of x is also written as x raised to the power 1 divided by 2, minus, similarly this square root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and its power square root of y can be written as y raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and it is equal to 504. So as we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn, and it will be equal to a raised to the power n whole power m. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2 into x raised to the power 1 divided by 2 minus 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2 into y raised to the power 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 504. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power, this and this will be multiplied, so it will become x raised to the power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 minus, it will become y raised to the power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. 1 into x raised to the power 1 divided by 2 is x raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and this divided by 2, and it is equal to 504. Now we will let here that this power x raised to the power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 is equal to p, and this power y raised to the power 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 is equal to q. So our above equation will become 2 raised to the power p minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504. So 2 raised to the power p minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504. So from this, here we have 2 raised to the power p will be greater than 2 raised to the power q, because this 504 is a positive number. So it means this number will be greater than this, then its subtraction will be equal to a positive number. So if 2 raised to the power p is greater than 2 raised to the power q, so it means p will be greater than q. So the relation between p and q will be p will be equal to q plus k, where this k will be greater than 0. So this equation 2 raised to the power p minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504 will become, we will substitute p is equal to q plus k here. So it will become 2 raised to the power q plus k minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504. So as we know that a raised to the power m plus n can be written as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So it will become 2 raised to the power q into 2 raised to the power k minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504. So from these two terms we have 2 raised to the power q is common here. So this value divided by this will become 2 raised to the power k minus 2 raised to the power q divided by 2 raised to the power q will be 1 is equal to 504. So from here 2 raised to the power q into 2 raised to the power k minus 1 is equal to, this 504 is same as 8 multiplied by 63. Because here we have product of two numbers, so I will convert 504 in the product of two numbers. So from here 2 raised to the power q will be equal to 8. So 2 raised to the power q is equal to, this 8 is same as 2 raised to the power 3. So bases are same, so we will equate its power. So from here q is equal to 3. Now I will substitute the value of q here and find the value of p from here. So equation will be 2 raised to the power p minus 2 raised to the power q is equal to 504. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power p minus 2 raised to the power q is 3 and it is equal to 504. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power p is equal to 504, and this minus 2 raised to the power 3 we will take to the right hand side, so it will become plus 2 raised to the power 3. So it will become 2 raised to the power p is equal to 504 plus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So 2 raised to the power p will be equal to 512. So 2 raised to the power p is equal to 512 is same as 2 raised to the power 9. So again bases are same, so we will equate its power. So from here p is equal to 9. So here we have value of q is equal to 3 and here we have value of p is equal to 9. But here p is equal to x raised to the power 1 divided by 2. So p is equal to x raised to the power 1 divided by 2. So from here the value of p is 9, which is equal to x raised to the power 1 divided by 2. Now we will multiply 2 on both sides to remove this fraction. So it will become 18 is equal to, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and x raised to the power 1 divided by 2. Now we will remove this power 1 divided by 2. So we will take square on both sides. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So from here the value of x is equal to 18 square, and 18 square is same as 324. So the value of x is 324. Now here we have q is equal to 3, but q is equal to y raised to the power 1 divided by 2. So q is equal to y raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and the value of q is 3. So it will become 3 is equal to y raised to the power 1 divided by 2. Now again we will multiply 2 on both sides to remove this fraction. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So it will become y raised to the power 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Now we will remove this power 1 divided by 2. So we will take square on both sides. So y is equal to 6 square is 36. So these are the values of x, 324, and the value of y is 36. Now we will check that the values of x and y satisfy our given equation or not. So to check, here given equation is square root of 2 raised to the power square root of x. So x is 324 minus square root of 2 raised to the power square root of y. So square root of y means square root of 36, and we have to check that will it be equal to 504 or not. So square root of 2 and this square root of 324 is 18. minus square root of 2, and this square root of 36 is same as 6, and will it be equal to 504 or not? So we can write this square root of 2 as 2 raised to the power 1 divided by 2, and this power will be multiplied with this power. So it will also 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. So from here it will become 2 raised to the power 9, and it will become 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 9 minus 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 504 or not? So 2 raised to the power 9 is same as 512 minus 2 raised to the power 3 is same as 8. So this minus this will be 504. It means both sides are equal. And the values of x is equal to 324 and y is equal to 36 satisfy our given equation. So hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.